It's Tuesday, October 14th. In the headlines, research shows that 80% of Jamaican human trafficking victims are children. Former Education Minister Ruel Reid and co-accused plead not guilty to multi-million-dollar fraud charges. In business news, JMMB expands its real estate portfolio. Regionally, St. Lucia's Prime Minister Philip J. Pierre hints at a possible general election before year-end. And in sports, Reggae Boys look to rebound against Bermuda after loss to Curacao. This is the news on PBC Jamaica. I'm Simone Absalom Gale. For the full newscast, head over to our YouTube and Facebook pages.